Yeah, okay. So today we are going to discuss the same ranking cycle with the help of a TS diagram. Simply we can say that what are the process carried out in ranking cycle. So we are discussing it. Okay. Shall we start? Hope you can see. Hello? Hello?
सर आता
Okay, okay, fine. So yesterday we discussed about there was a yeah, turbine, then a condenser, then a feed pump, then boiler. Okay, this was turbine, condenser, feed pump, and boiler. Okay, here work is giving. Okay, here we are rejecting heat, and here we are giving work, and here here is what addition of heat, addition of heat is happening. So this is the thing. Okay, so here we have to understand there will be a process happening here. Okay, as we all know, there is a high pressure, high temperature steam, and it is going to become low pressure. Okay, so what all process is happening? As I told yesterday, I used to tell you like you have to write the which are the process like isothermal, isobaric, isobaric, and everything. So here you have to understand what is the process. Okay, we know that it is expanding, whether it is isentropic expansion or different types of process is there. So we have to understand that. So by understanding that, then we can go through the thermodynamical analysis. Okay, we can start here. We will be calling one. Okay, here two, and this will be three, and this will be 4. Okay, after this will be again 1. Okay, so here you have to understand that from 1 to 2 it is isentropic. expansion. Okay. Then 2 to 3. Here we have to understand that heat is rejecting, right? So here, hello, hello,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the first one is that isentropic expansion. So the expansion is carried out by isentropically. Okay. And the second one is constant pressure, or we can say isobaric. In condenser, what is happening? It is heat rejection, right? Okay. Isobaric. Tell me. Isobaric heat. Isobaric heat rejection. Okay. From 3 to 4, it is isentropic compression, okay, which is carried out in feed pump. And from 4 to 1, it is isobaric heat addition. Okay, so this is the four process which is carried out in Rankine cycle. So Rankine cycle consists of this process 1 to 2. That is this one, right? 1 to 2. This, okay, is isentropic expansion. Okay, you just write this. Okay, processor 1 to 3. It is what isobaric heat rejection. Okay, and process 3 is isentropic compression. Okay, which is feed pump, and this heat rejection is carried out in constant pressure. So it is known as isobaric. Okay, you already know it. We are just going through the points. Okay, so then the fourth one, the last one is that 4 to 1. It is isentropic, sorry, isobaric heat addition. Okay, okay. So next you have to understand this same thing, and we have to write the question will be asking that explain Rankine cycle with the help of a TS diagram. The question will be asking like that. So you have to know how we have to write. Okay. So here it's not vapor dome. Okay. So and this is a vapor dome. You can draw it once again. Okay. So here you have to understand that this particular system two levels of pressure. Okay, two levels of pressure. Okay, you just understand here 4 to 1. This one, okay, after the feed pump 4 to 1. It is known as boiler pressure. Okay, boiler pressure. Okay, boiler pressure. And the rest of the system, okay, after the expansion, the pressure drop happens the 1-2 phases after the expansion, or the work done is due to the expansion of the steam, right? Okay, after that, what will be happening here? The pressure will be same from 1 to 3, right? And it is known as condenser pressure. Condenser pressure. Okay, so we can say that this whole cycle have two levels of pressure, right? As I told, which is boiler pressure and condenser pressure. Okay, so at the point, like in the point of view for solving a question, you have to understand that this one, okay, we can cross like this. This pressure, if they are like giving an a question like the pressure after the liquid leaves the feed pump, the pressure is like 2 bar or 5 bar. Okay, 2 bar or 5 bar. So you have to understand that this given thing is the boiler pressure. Okay, or after the expansion, the pressure of the will be like a 0.08 bar. If they are telling that, you have to understand that it is condenser pressure. Okay, this is we are discussing these factors in the point of view for solving the question. Okay, so these are the thing you have to understand what are the here what is happening. First of all, like here the work is developing, and here the heat is rejecting, here work is giving to the system, here Q or the heat is adding. So first of all, you have to understand that. So after that, as I told, how they at what process they are happening, isentropic or whatever it may be, isentropic or isochoric or like that. So here for Rankine cycle, it is isentropic, isobaric, isentropic, iso. Okay, this you already studied. Okay, this is the main thing. After that, you have to understand that this system have two levels of pressure. Okay, രണ്ട് പ്രഷർ ഇതിലാണ് ഇത് carried out ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, there will be value for two pressure. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ we can say that P1 we can discuss this later. Okay, so here first one is that so we can draw this again here. Okay, I am not drawing the coil and everything. Okay, boiler. Okay, this is the thing, right? So here it is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. Okay, then it is 4, then it is again 1. Okay, so this one here at the inlet we are considering it as a dry saturated steam. Okay, so dry saturated steam is giving is there in the stage 1. Okay, so this is the vapor dome, and this is the point critical pressure. Okay, I am not writing here C. Okay, okay, let it be. This is TS diagram. Okay, so last semester you already learn about the TS diagram and how to draw the TS diagram, HS diagram, and everything. So I am not going through that. So as I told, the first one is that here the system is carried out in two pressure levels. Okay, the first one is boiler pressure. Okay, and the second one will be condenser pressure. So there is two levels of pressure. So the first level, which is higher, is drawn here. Okay. So similarly, there will be a, it will be like that. Okay. So within these two levels, this process is happening. So we are trying to explain the Rankine cycle with the help of Rankine cycle with the help of TS diagram. Okay. So starting we understand that there is two levels of pressure. One is boiler pressure and another one is condenser pressure. Right. Okay. So here, as I told, it is the dry saturated steam. We are considering it as a dry saturated steam. So in some case, it may become super heated also. We can discuss it later. So at the so we are, yeah. Okay. So this is the one at here. Yeah. It is dry saturated steam. Okay. Then the expansion is taking place, right? The expansion is taking place. And you have to understand that the expansion is taking place and it is isentropic, right? Isentropic. The first one is expansion is taking place isentropically. Okay. So there is a drop in pressure. And the same thing, isentropic means the will be constant. So we will get what? 2. Okay. So the 2 correspond to the wet steam. Okay. 2 correspond to wet steam at low pressure. Okay. The points you have to write this. Okay. So, and again, so we reach here, right? We reached here at 2. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about 2 to 3 process. We have to, we already represent the 1 to 2 process in the TS diagram. Now we have to represent the 2 to 3. Okay, this process. So here there is a condenser and the heat is rejecting. Okay, so here you have to understand that the condenser is taking only the latent heat. Okay, the condenser is taking the latent heat only. So the temperature will be constant. Okay, so okay, so from 2 to 3 we obtain. Then from 4 to, sorry, 3 to 4, what is happening? It is isentropic compression. Okay, so it is what? Isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. Wait just 1 minute. Okay, isentropic compression. We got 4. Okay, then for the net is again 1. So you have to understand here is also a isentropic process. Here is also a isentropic process. Here at a constant pressure, heat is rejecting. Here at a constant pressure, heat is adding. Okay, so this is the process. So you have to understand that from 4 to 1. Okay, 4 to 1. Can you please guess what is the process here? Here, tell me. Here we are getting work, and here what is happening? heat is adding. Okay, heat is adding. Here we are obtaining a work. Okay, here heat is rejecting. Okay, and here we are giving a work to the system. Here is a isentropic compression, or the process carried out by the feed pump is happening. So you have to say like this. Okay. So, and one more thing is that 1 to 2 it is also a isentropic process, and 3 to 4 also it is, here it is isentropic expansion, and here it is compression. Okay. So the isentropic expansion to the turbine, you will be getting maximum work. Okay. Why we are selecting the isentropic? Here we will get maximum work. Similarly, at the compression also, here we can do the compression with the minimum work. Okay, minimum input work we can compress it. Just I tell, no need to write it that, but you have to write rest of all thing. Okay, so we can just write once more here TS diagram. Next, okay, here it is TS diagram, vapor dome, and our system is carried out in 2 levels of pressure. Okay, so the 2 levels of pressure, 2 levels of pressure is I drawn here. Okay, this is TST. Yes, and I am not explaining how this came. You already in TD last semester. You already in the third module, I think. You are studying how to draw the edges, EVTS diagram. Okay, and regarding that, there is steam table problems. Do you remember that? Okay, if you are not having any doubt, you have to go through this and revise it. Okay, how they are coming. So I'm not explaining this how this DOM and everything and these lines are how. Okay, so as actually, I first of all we told that this system is, or this cycle is carried out in 2 pressure levels. Okay, so first one is the boiler pressure, and the second one is the condenser pressure. The 2 lines we already drawn here. Okay, so we have to understand this. This from this inside this here, the process is carried out. So now we are assuming that, or we are considering it that here the inlet or the steam is dry saturated steam. Okay, so I am saying like this because we have to, maybe in the question there will be coming the superheated steam is there. So it will be like here it will be the dry. Okay, after that again if you are giving heat energy, then the dry steam become superheated one. We already know it, right? So there will be so many little bit difference in the, okay, difference in the TS diagram. Okay, so you have to write for every problem, like if there is any problem or what, you have to at least write the, or draw the diagram, and you have to label each and every part. Okay, if here one is given, okay, whether you can write here, if the pressure is given, you can write the pressure is this, and if temperature is not given, you can write temperature, or else you can write that process one. Okay, we know that. Okay, then what is that pressure one to process, not pressure, process one to two, what all data are given. Okay, then pressure 2 to 3, what all data are given. So this is I am explaining for the purpose for solving the problem. Okay, and I am telling like this because you have to get routine, or a routine with this flow. Okay, how you have to attend the things, and how you have to instead of giving like given that, you can just write like it will be little bit good, okay, for understanding. So you have to try this thing. Okay, so here TS diagram and the vapor dome, and we already told that this cycle is carried out into pressure level. So first of all, this is the one, right? From here I told the it is isentropic expansion. So expansion means the pressure is dropping, the pressure will be dropping. One thing is that, okay. And the second thing is it is an isentropic process, okay. So S1 will be equal to S2, okay. So we can just draw a vertical line, okay. So once more, the thing is that while drawing and sign, this is, there will be some, because it must be straight, okay, and everything. So it is given into your note, which will be uploaded in your platform very well. So you have to write now, you have to write and draw with the lecture note, okay. After the lecture note, as I explained earlier, you have to copy down the note which is uploaded in your CMS platform, okay. So you have to write it very well, okay. Now we are just roughly explaining that, that's what this diagram is like that, okay. So from 1 to 2, as I told, it is isentropic, okay. Then what happened, 2 to 3, it was like condenser, right? The system is going through the condenser. Okay, from condenser, what will be happen? The heat will be rejecting. Okay, heat will be rejecting. Here, we are obtaining a work. Okay, I am just briefing it. Okay, after this, we can stop our lecture for today. We discuss TS diagram. Okay, after this, we have to discuss some PV and two more diagrams is there, and then we will start with our when then we will start with our problem. Okay, so today in your timetable, the fifth hour, it is remedial. So it is remedial for thermal engineering as well as MTM, I think. So today the fifth hour will be taken by thermal engineering, okay. So at that time we will discuss a problem regarding this thing, okay. Before that, we have to discuss some formulas, okay. Vishnu Madhav, does he is your classmate? Anyone please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Tell him that I didn't see like he entered into the class before for today. So tell him that it is not the time to come in a class. Okay, whether it is online or offline, you have to be at time. Okay, so tell him. You can after the class, you can
Okay, sir.
just tell. Yeah, okay, fine. Very well, good. Okay, so here, uh, work output, and here it is the rejection, okay. So after that, what is happening, a isentropic compression is happening, okay. So it will be 4, and from 4 it will you have to write like this, okay. So from 4 it will be there. So again, in the terms of boiler pressure, from here to here, yeah, the pressure is same. So at that time you have to understand that, okay. So here, what is happening, the heat energy, heat addition is happening, okay. And here we are giving work to the pump work, okay. We are giving the work to the system. So this is the thing, okay. I just repeated it 1 or 2 times, okay. So now next, we will in the next class we will discuss about how are the like we will apply our steady state flow equation, okay, through which we will be getting some formulas to find these things, okay. Like if you are just for saying for boiler, okay. So boiler, it is like carried out from 1 to 4, right? So for boiler, the applying, if you are applying SFE, okay, SFE, we will be getting like H4 plus Q1 equal to H1, okay. So we will be getting a, okay, this will be the equation, okay. So if in the, okay, if they are asking find the heat addition, find the heat addition at this time, okay. So here is some shortcut, okay. We can discuss it later, because how you have to remember this formula, because this you can remember 1 to 4, okay. So if in the case of turbine, the same finance scenario, if we are applying SFE, okay, SFE, it will be become H1 and H1 with the, okay, okay, then the, okay, this will be our formula to find the turbine work. Okay, this will be our formula. So, and the next one will be for condenser. We can discuss it later, but just I am telling how it is. And next class we can discuss it in detail. Okay, here applying SFE, we will be getting like H2 equal to Q2 plus H3. Okay, so Q2 equal to H2 minus H3. Similarly, for feed pump, right? For feed pump, it will be become H3 plus pump work equal to H4. So pump work will be H4 minus H3. You just look, go through all this. There is every formula is in terms of H, right? Okay, so it is very simple. We can discuss it later how it is, because here we are considering the higher H for each term. It will be easy for that, but for that you have to know this diagram, then only it will be easy. So after this class or there will be interval, just go through these things. Okay, what are in this each process, what is happening and everything, you have to understand that, and we can discuss how we are obtaining this each formula and how to remember. Because in the I told you already, in the problematic, this is a problematic paper. Okay, so the thing is that they will be asking like this: find the heat rejection, or okay, or find the efficiency. Okay, efficiency, like that. So you have to understand what is this. Okay, this process heat area rejection means heat rejection in Rankine cycle is happening in which stage or which process. So for that you must be aware of the this diagram as well as each pressure or each process is carried out as isentropic, expansion, isobaric, like that. Okay, each four process you have to know it very well. Then only you can understand in which phase or which process the rejection is happening. Okay, so here these are the thing. And for efficiency, Rankine efficiency, we know that by law, we all know that the work net divided by Q in. This is the thing. Okay, here the work network means what? It will be the difference between the turbine work and the pump work. Okay, and Q in. Q in means the addition. Okay, that is here for the total system. Here, due to the addition of this much heat, what will become the water is become what? Steam. Okay, and it is expansion. Due to the expansion of that, we are obtaining work. Okay, so that Q1, that is here, and the work is network means network. We are obtaining a work at the same time we are giving some work to the system also, so we have to consider that also. So this is the major formulas. There are so many, there are few formulas also, like sorry, there are so few formulas like, just 1 minute. There was specific steam consumption, work ratio. Okay. Addition to the different the formula for finding the decision, heat addition and the work done and everything. There are a few more and the ranking efficiency. These are the three more formulas for that. Okay, so we can discuss it later. Now it is time, so we can wind up. Okay, so tell me the attendance. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, uh, just 1 minute.